Taking you through the sort and
This
delete
function
functions,
creates students will
specifically
return
starting
item
with
to a
delete.
of a
We're going
student.
to include
Then
these
the
header
parameters, the
files, which
ID,
we're going to need this
and the
main.h
array of
is
students.
here, which is going to have all the
So student,
including the other functions, the
is
structure for the student,
so this
the array of
is the
students,
type.
the ID,
Here is the
which is
type.
going to determine the number
Then
of
this is
students at a
variable
particular
name.
point, the
Now
functions,
this is
just
helping
like that.
the compiler
So,
know which type this is going to be when
delete.
malloc creates memory for it. That's why it's there.
So we come here,
Enter
delete,
student
this function is
name.
going to return nothing, so this is void.
This
Function
is
name is
going
going
to
to
help
take
us enter
students.
a student name.
Now,
Whether it's
if
padded
I
with
show you how this
zeros or
works in the
spaces,
command
it will
line,
still accept that input.
let's exit,
Then respectively enter all the other
run main,
details.
create a student, give a name,
Then
get
at
a
the ID position, let's say the ID position data is 0, creating the first student. Then position 0 is not creating the first student, which we have just created here through all these assignments.
Yes,
And we're
now,
accessing the
if you
structure
want to
like this because this is a pointer.
enter the whole name we entered, you can enter part of it. So if I entered two names here, padded with zeros or not.
And if the student is created successfully, we print this. If not, we print that. And then we return the student.
Created successfully. So how does it work?
This
asks us for a name. Depending on what the name we enter, either padded with zeros or not, it stores in this name.
You tap 3.
Then we have this for loop function. It's going to look through the array of students. If any of the students has a name that we have entered,
when you create a student,
and it's going to update this I counter
increase the ID
during the
position
process.
and then break. Why is this? Because I said earlier, this is going to help us monitor the number of students in the system.
And this is how it does it. If it finds the students, it sets at a particular position in the array to now. So this student then breaks the loop, so it stops counting I. And if the student record is not found, meaning I is 100, just going through the whole list and is not, then get out of there. Else, meaning it has been deleted, then this is what it means.
Update student record.
So yeah.
Students. Now this is going to be a variable name.
Now that was delete.
Update here.
Turn on for delete. Now let's do that for sort.
Going to help us to enter a student name.
So sort takes no arguments. The function name is the student, the array of students is the ID. This is the choice. And we can show you how this works in the command line.
If it's there,
assign
the student to that student we have found. And then if the student is not equal to null, we begin updating the details.
Client registration
student
number,
names, student class, program code, and nutrition, things like that.
Create another one as well.
Then student record updated successfully, something like that. And then if we go back to the main function, let's choose another one.
Yeah. And if we want to sort, we have two options. You can sort with the name or the date of birth. You choose there.
For example, if you tap
that's sorted by names. If we go back, choose date of birth. It has sorted by dates of birth, so we can see what's going on. So how does that work? This choice is going to come from here, either name or date of birth. As usual, enters the character, stores it in, and then this switch case is going to determine if it's a name or a date of birth. It's going to determine what to do. If it's a name, it's going to come in this folder. Then copy all the names of the students, put them in this names list. Student national array. And what this means is that if we have 5 students, this list is supposed to have 5 names. Each of those 5 names accessing a maximum of 21 characters in number. Not also this one means, except one has 11 characters. Then, because for that follows is doing And then now this is going to use bubble sort. It's going to go through that names.
Yeah, if the file has been created, open this file,
this one, and compare them, which one should come first, and then sort them
created,
respectively using
open
bubble
it in
sort.
append mode.
Then after that, it's going to
Write
print
these
out the
details first.
names.
So
It's like this is just for nice format.
I'm not sure how
Stuff
it
like
looks
that.
after the file, CSV file, but if it hasn't been created, then we first want to put these titles at the top. So
Yeah, so it's just for nice
arrange it
formatting and all that. And this is going to print the
and if the
names
CSV file is now
in the names list. This one.
print this, and then we get out of the function. Otherwise, if it's not now, then we export all the current records using this for loop.
And then break, so it does not into this next case. Now, for example, let's say you chose D for date of birth. It's going to first get all the students' dates of birth, put them in this text variable created above.
You choose an option.
Then it's going to loop through that list, sorting them using bubble sort still.
Valid, it prints this.
And then also again for nice formatting, do all this, print the dates of birth, and then here, then break, and that should be it. And student record sorted successfully. That's it.